Okay, let's continue our project. This is where we left last time. We have created this simple IFC viewer with the help of GitHub Copilot. GitHub Copilot has three different modes. Last time we was mainly using the agent mode, but now I will show you quickly the ask mode. It's very good tool also. So for example, I want to know about this application. Please tell me how this app works. I am not an expert. So if you get a new project, you get the source code. You want to know how does it work. Just ask from GitHub Copilot. It will tell you. So what we have done so far. What is okay, it even starts to teach me what is IFC. Good. How this app works. Basic setup. 3D model display, user interface, key technologies, file structure, how to use. And you want to know anything more, some special about file processing, about fragments, just ask from Copilot. Tell me everything about fragments, and you will get a lot of information and you can start learning. But we are now going to jump to agent mode and start cooking some new functionality to our application. I want to create load IFC file button to UI, and I want to load my own IFC file from my file system. Let's ask this from our coding agent and see what happens. Now it's ready. There's a history of what has happened. You can always go back and learn what has happened, and I will keep changes, and let's go and see our new version. So now we have new button here. From here, load local IFC file. That's what we ask. So now I am able to select from my file system my own IFC files, and I can convert IFC into fragments first, and then I'm able to add model into 3D view. Great. Loading is quite fast also. Looks good. Let's try another one. Okay, there's a slight issue. We don't get the load button. We need to fix that later, but I can always refresh my page and load new IFC file. Let's try this one. Now it's converted to fragments, and yes, it's working. Great. Thanks. It works. It's always good to give feedback to your software engineer. What next? Please implement object highlight and select next. No, maybe this is not a select for objects. Okay, now it's ready. It did a lot of things. It took about 1 minute, and let's see the results. Okay, let's take the example IFC file. Let's add it. Great, we have new UI. Okay, there's also multi-selection. Let's see. Single selection, and if I press Control, click, wow, there's multi-selection now. Great. Sometimes the agent do more than you ask, and this time we get multi-selection, and we also get the clear selection. We didn't ask this, but anyway, I like it. But highlight, we are missing the highlight. Let's ask to do that also. Selection is working, but highlight why is not working. Okay, now it's ready. There's documentation, what has been done. Okay, there's also color definitions. What are the highlight colors, select colors. And if you look back to the history, what was happened, you can see that GitHub Copilot used Context 7 MCP server. You remember in our first video, we created these instructions, project rules, and we asked Copilot always use Context 7 in that Open Company documentation. And he followed these instructions and checked all the correct implementation instructions from this source by using MCP tools which we defined in our first video, Context 7 MCP server. But let's now test the version. So let's load example IFC file, add the model to view, and highlight is working. Great. How about selection? Yes, selection color is different. It's green. Multi-selection is working. Highlight is working. Wow. Looks great. I'm quite happy with this version now, but we will going to continue vibe coding, and I want to get information about these objects. I want to create some kind of dashboard here. I don't know yet what kind of, but that will be a topic for my next video. I will start to vibe code dashboard about information of our BIM objects in my next video. So please do like and subscribe, and you will get notified when I have my next video available. Bye.